Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use the grid on your camera. First, open your camera application and navigate to the Settings menu. Here, you'll find an option labeled Grid, Rule of Thirds, or Composition Lines. Tap to enable it. This overlay will appear on your screen, providing a visual guide for better photo composition. It's a simple step that can significantly improve your photography. Once enabled, you'll see 2 horizontal and 2 vertical lines, creating 9 equal sections. This is the rule of thirds. The key is to place your main subject or important elements along these lines or, even better, at their intersection points. This technique creates more visually appealing and dynamic photographs than simply centering everything. It's a fundamental principle for balanced imagery. Beyond composition, the grid is excellent for alignment. Use the horizontal lines to ensure your horizons are perfectly level, preventing crooked landscapes. Similarly, align vertical elements like buildings or trees with the vertical grid lines to maintain straightness and avoid distortion. This helps create a sense of order and professionalism in your images, making them much more pleasing to the eye. The best way to master the grid is through practice. Take many photos, consciously applying the rule of thirds and using the lines for alignment. Experiment with placing subjects in different grid sections and observe the results. Review your images afterward to see how the grid influenced your composition. Soon, using the grid will become second nature, elevating your photography skills significantly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.